Hey y'all. So I was cleaning my craft room and I totally got distracted by this box that I had never opened. Somebody gave it to me and it's a set of Grabie watercolors. Don't know the name Grabie. The box is really cute though. So I just wanted to show you what came in here. Play with them a little bit, but I'm going to actually gift this whole thing to my daughter because she's more likely to use watercolors than me. Also, I'm at my room desk, not my craft room desk, so that's why it looks a little different. Anyway, so this box here has, let's see, if I can get the contents out. Okay, there's a pencil sharpener, pencil that you have to actually sharpen. What is this? Watercolor paint brushes, the kind where you put the water in, which is really cute. So you get 3 different sizes. Let's just see. You got like a flat brush, a nice kind of thick pointy one. These are very similar. Okay, that one holds more of a point where this one kind of doesn't. But anyway, you get these 3 brushes, a pencil, and a sharpener. You get a little instruction sheet on how to use the watercolor pencil markers, which is cool. And you get a swatch sheet. I love swatch sheets. So I'm not going to keep this, as I said, but I absolutely love swatching. So I'm going to swatch them and then give them away. Okay, so this is the case, which is also super cute. It's a little tin case with the clasp. And look at all these colors. Let me go up just a hair so y'all can see all at once. This is 100 colors. The nice thing about this is that they give you the names. Oh, good mighty. What if these are not in order? Aha, okay. Okay, cool. So they have the names in order. So I'm going to swatch these out. And then I also have a watercolor pad that I never use. I don't even know. Oh, I've used like maybe once or twice. So I'm gonna swatch them and then paint something and then give them to my daughter. Okay, so I have filled the little markers up with water. I didn't really pay attention as I was taking them off as to like which barrel went with which brush, but that doesn't really matter. Got our pencil. This is like a super old school sharpener. Okay. I think for the swatching, I'm gonna use this flat one because it seems like it'll be easier to do that with, so. Isn't that cup ready? Okay. Now for some swatching. Oh, these you squeeze the barrel, the water is gonna go into the brush, and then let's just do it up close so you can see what happens. You put the water in. Okay, so now I can, you know, get the paint on there. And then, ooh, okay. Not mad at that. Okay, the only thing I forgot was that I'm gonna actually have to clean off the brush in between. So I do really want you to see the swatching as it happens. I am not a watercolor expert, so don't expect too much from me, okay? Alright. Okay. The more water or the less water, ooh, really dictates the type of color you're gonna get. Okay, I'm not even like a super like big watercolor. I love seeing watercolor paintings and people that paint with watercolors, but I've never done it. But these colors, ooh, the saturation is really good for watercolor. And then it's just like, sometimes watercolors are so cheap that like you can't get good pigment with them regardless. But these, like these actually look like the color names that they're saying. And I could tell like a person that's an expert with watercolors. Like, look, that is some nice pigmentation there, bro. Like, I am loving this. Also, I'm using my daughter's very tiny watercolor bowl, and it's gonna, I know I'm gonna have to like change water 100 times, but loving these colors. Okay, so the swatch sheet is done, and I must say I'm not even like an expert on like watercolors. I don't use them a lot. I've only used them a few times. Probably most of the ones I've ever used before have been like extremely cheap, because I've never seen such pigmented watercolors. And there's a lot of metallics in here. I don't know. Oh, there we go. You can kind of see. Ooh-wee. Do y'all see that sheen? Okay. The metallics are actually very metallic. I think this is an extremely wide range of colors. And they're pretty true to color. Some of them are like, you know, you do see some of them and you're kind of like, okay. There's not a ton of difference between some of them. I like how I like accidentally blended there. Not like a ton of differences between some of the colors, but I think this is a really wide range of colors. And for like even the ones that you're thinking like, oh, they barely have a color, once you see them on the swatch sheet, you realize like, oh, okay, they do show up. And the metallics are definitely giving metallic. Of course, the more you layer it, the better that shine. But looking at it, I was like, while I was swatching, I'm like, okay, what on earth am I gonna do? And I don't know, something about this range of colors is making me want to do like a room, you know? And I don't draw rooms a lot, but all these colors, I don't know, it's giving room. So I think that's what we're gonna do. All right, so this is my Pinelli watercolor artist pad that I've probably used like once or twice. Actually, this really sad something, another really sad, I don't know what that was supposed to be. I'm not gonna tell you what it looks like to me, but that's kind of frightening. Again, don't know what this was supposed to be. Also a little frightening. I don't know where I was going with either of those, but yeah. Maybe because I've been watching so many design shows, I just want to draw a room. So I'm going to go on Pinterest, find something that's like inspirational to me, sketch it out, and then we're going to get to drawing. This is what I came up with. Okay, wow, it's not like an amazing art. Like, do you see that sheen though? The sheen excites me. I like the metallic. Yeah. Not a masterpiece. It was pretty fun, you know. If I had like really been committed, I would have like given it a ton of detail. But I wasn't. So this is what you got. But I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. If you're in the market for some watercolors, I think these Grabies are definitely like a good option. All right, see y'all later. Bye. Okay, I wanted to redeem myself by trying something other than what I did, and not gonna lie, not mad at it. She's still drying. Yeah, it was definitely just me playing around, but girl, you better quit playing with me.